boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Machine Gun Kelly featuring Bring Me the Horizon, a song called Maybe. It's a cool punk rock song here from these two, and a great song. So yeah, let's start right away. Capo on the first fret to match up the sound and to have the easiest way possible to play the melodies and the chords. So capo on first, and let's go over the chords first, like we usually do. So let's start with the F sharp minor. We have bar there on the second fret, all strings, and the rest will be fourth on A and fourth on D. Next chord is A, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have E next, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have a D, but with an A in the bass, so that will be open A, open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have two more chords left, two bar chords. First one will be B minor. So that is a bar here on the second fret, this time only from A string and down, so 5 strings are barred here on the second fret. And the rest will be fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. And the final chord will be C sharp, like this. So you put a bar this time on the fourth fret from A string and down, 5 strings, and the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 6 on B. You could also put a bar there on the 6th fret from D string and down, like this. And when you do the downstrokes, try to avoid the last E string down there, alright? So yeah, that's how you do the chords. Now we have this intro and the verse, and it's pretty much based upon notes from chords, so it's kind of melodies or licks, whatever you want to call it. So it's based upon 4 chords. So it's first F sharp minor, then A, then E, and then D with A in the bass. All right, so that's how you do it. So first, it's a very kind of slow, if you compare it to the rest of the song, slow melody played. So it's like this. That's the first F sharp minor. So the next, based on A, sounds like this. Then we have E, like this. And we have the DA chord, like that. All right. So that is only played like this for 3 rounds in the beginning of this song, and then it changes a little bit. But yeah, let's go over this quickly. F sharp minor part was okay. So the easiest way to grab or to hit the notes here is to grab the chord as it is, the F sharp minor. So you grab it with a bar on the second fret, and you will hit second fret E string in the bass, then fourth fret A, fourth fret G, back to second E, then you lift it off and get the second fret G here from the bar, and back to second fret E. So next chord is the A. It sounds like this. So you just hold the chord as it is, and then you play open A, second D, second B, open A, second G, and back to open A. So open A, second D, second B, open A, second G, open A. Then we have the E that sounds like this. Alright, so you will play open E in the bass, second A, second G, open E, first G, and open E. So notice it's second G first, so looks like this, the grip, and then you switch to that one, the standard E grip. So from there to there. All right, and then we have the final notes there from the D-A chord. You will just do that, 3 notes, and that is 5th on E string in the bass, 5th on A, and 4th on D. All right, so that is how you play the intro. I'm gonna play through for you slowly one time so you get it. So let's go. Yeah, sorry I slipped on the E there. I think you understand. Very hard to play slow sometimes. It sounds like this. Yeah, and it ends with D-A. Like that, all right. So you play it slow for the first round, and then they say in the lyrics that that's hard, and they play it for another 2 rounds much faster. Same notes there. So in total of 3 rounds. And that is kind of the intro. And then starts the first verse. Maybe if I had something to say, that's where we're on the lyrics. First verse. Okay, so we'll continue to play melodies here. But this one is a bit faster and many notes included here. Not many, but yeah, a couple more notes for each and every chord. So same chord still, F sharp minor, A, E, and the D-A chord. So we'll go through that, and that is the part that I played in the introduction of this tutorial. So it sounds like this, the first part, the F sharp minor part. Okay. So you're gonna play 2nd on E, 4th on A, 1st on G, back to 2nd on E, 4th on A, 2nd on D, 2nd on E, and 4th on A. So slowly. That is how it's done. Then the next part will be based on A, and it sounds like this. Sorry. And it's actually enough if you just hold the 2nd on D and 2nd on G, like that. So you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, open B, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open A, and 2nd D. Yeah, next chord is E, and that part sounds like this. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd G, sorry, open E, 2nd A, 1st G, open E, and 2nd A. And the final part will be the D-A chord. You hold the same grip as you did in the intro here. So that part sounds like this. Okay, so that is 5th on A, 5th on E, 5th on A, 4th on D, and again 5th on E, 5th on A, 4th on D, and then 5th on E, 5th on A. Okay, so that is the melody, and I missed on some notes, but yeah, like I said, it's really crappy to play it slow, so let's take it a little bit faster, but not the standard tempo for you to really hear and listen what we're playing there. So let's go up a little bit in speed. Okay, much easier. So that is how it sounds one round. You will play that for 4 rounds, and that is the verse. Then comes the chorus. Okay, in the lyrics, I made up my mind this evening, so that's where we are in the lyrics. We're gonna play the chords. The D-A chord first, then the A, and then E. So that is how it goes, okay? So we have a strumming pattern we will use for that. So if we grab the D-A chord, since that is the first chord, it's very easy. It's down, up, down, up. But you want to emphasize the second and last down there. So down, up, down, up. So. And you emphasize that in the way that you're going to play a full downstroke on that one. The other downs and ups, you're just going to do a little shorter. So. That's one way, and that's the way I use. So down up is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of the D-A chord, 2 rounds of A, and 4 rounds of E. So that sounds like this. That is 1 chord progression round. This course consists of 4 rounds. And you will use the same chords through all these 4 rounds, but on the 3rd round it's a little bit different because the rhythm changes a little bit there. So for the 3rd round, still the same chords. It will be like this: down, 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 and then on A you're gonna play down, 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 up, down, and that is the first half. And then you're gonna play the same for E: down, 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 up, down. So slowly it will be like this. So that was down, 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 and shift to A, play down, 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 up, down, and then you shift to E and play again 4 downs, down, 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 and then second part, down, 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 up, down. All right, and then you go back on the 4th round and play again the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and so on. So if we go just through the chorus as it is, full chorus round, it will sound like this, a little bit slower than the standard tempo. So that was the chorus. And yeah, after that comes an instrumental part, and that is the interlude. So 1 round of the intro, we learned the first slower version of the notes in the round there. So that will come right after this first chorus. Then comes the second verse, and that will be played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second chorus, played in the same way as the first chorus we just looked at. After the second chorus comes a post-chorus parts. Okay, so that comes right after the second chorus, and we will use some new chords there. All right, so this will consist of 4 kind of rounds of chord progression. So the first 3 rounds will be B minor, F sharp minor, and E. Okay? So you're gonna play these 3 chords in that order for 3 rounds. And on the 4th round, you're gonna play B minor, F sharp minor, so same there, but the last chord will be C sharp. Alright? And the strumming will be a little bit different. It will be like this. Down, 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 like that. So for B minor, you're gonna play 1 round of down, 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 and then you switch to F sharp, down, 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 1 round of that. And for E, you're gonna play 2 rounds, so down, 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 down. Sounds like this for a couple of rounds. B minor, F sharp, E, B minor, F sharp, E, and on the 4th round, B minor, F sharp, and C sharp. Yeah, so that is the post-chorus 3 rounds of B minor, F sharp, E, and 4th final round, B minor, F sharp, and C sharp. And that takes us to the final chorus right after this one, and that is played in the same way as the previous choruses, so nothing changes there. And it ends with an outro, which is actually the interlude or the intro. You play that for 2 rounds, and that will wrap up this great song from Machine Gun Kelly and bring me the horizon called Maybe. So good luck with this one, guys. Give it a good 15-20 minutes to really nail the licks there, especially the verse play there. Could be a little bit different to begin with, but yeah, 15-20 minutes, and I think you will feel pretty comfortable with the speed and everything. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope it was helpful. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.